The LPDAC Prospectus, 2017 to 2019. The Land Processes Distributed Active Archive Center, or LPDAC, operates as a partnership between the U.S. Geological Survey and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It has been located at the USGS Earth Resources Observation and Science Center in Sioux Falls, South Dakota since 1990. The LPDAC is one of 12 DACs within NASA's Earth Observing System Data and Information System.
The NASA Land Processes Distributed Active Archive Center ingests and archives NASA land products and distributes that data to NASA principal investigators, Department of Interior research scientists and land managers, and users worldwide.
And by curating and providing access to these important land remote sensing data records, we really aim to advance the understanding, the access, and the use of these data for a very large and diverse user community.
The LPDAC distributes more than 250 distinct global data products derived from sensors located on board Earth-observing satellites, space shuttles, and airborne sensors. When data are received from producers, they are reviewed for quality, safely stored, and then distributed to users. The LPDAC also provides user support and conducts outreach activities. These data and services are provided to many different types of users for a wide variety of applications, such as researching the impacts of land use change, identifying impacts of natural disasters, and exploring trends in vegetation health. The data products, services, and users are supported by the LPDAC team. NASA and the USGS first announced their plans to establish the LPDAC at the USGS Aero Center in 1990. Over the next decade, staff began preparing for ingest of the first data products and operating a new archive center. The 2000s saw improvements to data storage, management, and delivery methods as the archive continued to grow with new data products. Since 2000, the LPDAC has archived more than 3,000 terabytes, or 3 petabytes, of data, the equivalent of watching 40 years worth of HD TV. Nearly 20,000 terabytes of data have been distributed to users. The LPDAC archive will continue to grow with the addition of mission-level data from 2 new innovative sensors over the next few years. Both of the sensors will be housed on the International Space Station. EcoStress will collect information essential for detecting water stress in plants and improve drought estimations. JEDI will provide valuable LiDAR data for measuring forest canopy height and structure, as well as surface elevation. Over the course of 2016 and 2017, the LPDAC provided new, innovative ways to access and interact with data, as well as distributed new data products. New functionality was added to Appears, enabling point and area sampling of data from several federal archives and making the data preparation process more efficient. All ASTER data began to be distributed to the global remote sensing community at no cost. Distribution of NASA-produced data products from the VIIRS sensor on board the joint NOAA-NASA Suomi National Polar Orbiting Partnership satellite began. In addition, Earth Data Login was implemented on all data access points to better understand the user community. Many exciting opportunities are on the horizon for 2018 and 2019, including distribution of additional SNPP NASA VIIRS land datasets and the operational release of remaining MEASURES 2012 data collections. The number of data products accessible through Appears will continue to grow with the addition of Landsat analysis-ready data and several other datasets external to the LPDAC. There will also be additional operational releases of the web services for key LPDAC datasets for the GIS user community. As the archive expands, there will be more of a focus on cloud architecture to optimize and harden approaches for archiving, distributing, and analyzing data in the cloud. To inform the public remote sensing community about these activities and learn about user needs, multiple web-based platforms from NASA, the USGS, and partners are leveraged. All final content is primarily located on the LPDAC website. Both technical and science staff frequently attend domain-relevant conferences and meetings to present on current LPDAC activities, interact directly with users, and receive valuable feedback from the community. Science communication staff also organize and lead workshops for specific user groups. The primary point of contact for all user inquiries is the LPDAC User Services team. They answer questions about data, tools, and services, and provide solutions. Each year, the support and services provided by the LPDAC are assessed through the American Customer Satisfaction Index, or ACSI survey. The LPDAC has seen a continual growth in customer satisfaction since the survey began in 2006. The survey results are used to develop new ways to make data and services more accessible and usable for the community. Thank you for watching the LPDAC Prospectus for 2017 to 2019. If you have questions or are interested in additional information, please contact User Services or visit the LPDAC website.